Are you searching for beautiful real estate in St. Augustine and the surrounding areas, including Jacksonville? Marta Harris is ready to make your dreams a reality. With intracoastal water views from second-story porches, your home could be located just a few blocks away from a community boat ramp, making trailering your boat a breeze. With 2.6 acres on a private road in historic St. Augustine, enjoy cozy fireside chats with family and friends while watching Florida's majestic sunsets from your stunning 3,000 square foot country home. Would you rather build your dream home in a new community? Marta will personally go with you to meet a builder. New communities are a short distance to downtown, convenient to shopping and I-95. Most importantly, real estate in St. Augustine is close to the most stunning Florida beaches. Whether you are looking to buy or sell, Marta will listen and make it happen. For more information about real estate in St. Augustine, call 904-806-1401 or visit martaroseharris.com.